What's up, everybody? Today we are doing part 2 of the Financial Modeling World Cup's Cake to Bake case study. If you haven't seen part 1, please go back and watch that. It leads into what you're about to see here. Hope you enjoy. All right, how many units will CB, it must be the Cake to Bake as a company, sell in the UK during the year 2023? Okay, so we've got our monthly population, all right? And then I believe we've got our usage rate, if I'm not mistaken. So let's actually just do this. So this is okay. So this is usage. No, sorry. This is population. Yeah, let's put that over 1. And then this over here is going to be units sold. All right, and so it's basically the usage rate per month. That's what they do. So it's equals, if you look up, so that, and then the usage rate, which I definitely saw. Where did I see that? Come on now. Demand by country. There's the demand by country. Okay, so yeah, so that's population rate. That's okay. So it's this right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. All right. 4, 5 false. There's the usage rate. All right. And then so now we're going to do the units sold, which is basically going to be equals that times the usage rate. All right, so there's all that. So you get an idea of what the units sold looks like, right? Yeah, I think that looks fine. If I insert 2 there, and let's do the same month and year or whatever jazz. Okay. And then what was the answer question again? How many units will CB sell in the UK during the year 2023? All right, so that's going to be basically equals sum ifs. So we're going to there is what we're going to sum up, and then there, and 2023. There it is. Boom. Looking good so far. All right, what is the expected sales price? Okay, so now we're looking at something different. We're looking at the sales price of their goods in India in local currency in 2026. Okay, so I wonder if that's okay. So where's the sale price? Salary system. Where's the sales price? Huh. Do they have a sales price on here? I would assume they'd have that. Okay, so let's go down here. General manufacturing capacity per day. Salary system. Fixed rates. Oh, so foreign exchange. Annual inflation. Demand by country. Shipments by country. Control F price. Somebody? Oh, local price. There it is. Okay. So there's the local price in 2022. Is there a price increase number? They're just doing it by inflation rates? They must. Okay, so there's the local price. Okay, so, all right, so let's get the, so maybe they're keeping it in line with inflation? Okay, so, all right, so India's increasing 7.66 every year, right? So it looks like they're assuming that. So, okay, so I don't know. So let's equals that plus that times, we look up that country. Yeah, is that 3, right? 4, 3, false. I don't know. I hope this is what they're looking for here. We'll see this here shortly. All right, so let's get this. How many decimals is it going to? 2. Okay. Number 2, and use that so I know what the heck's going on. All right, so we're looking for India. I thought I saw in 2026, 147.78. Oh, okay, nice. So equals that. Cool. So we got that. What will be the euro-denominated sales price in Australia in 2026? Okay, so well, again, we're only going out to this. Let's do this. Euro price 2019. Right? Okay, so equals, where's the euro price? Okay, so there it is. 1.55 euros per Australian dollar. So that times oh, that's annoying. So I have to who did that? Australian, Canadian, Indian, Myanmar. Nobody put the darn country in there. That seems silly. All right, so equals that times, if you look up, that's going to be that. Five. Oh wait, no, it's going to change. So this is your VLOOKUP value. So instead of 5, it's going to be that. That doesn't seem right. Times. Oh, it's going to be. It can't be 10,000 euros, can it? Is it divided by? Well, hold on, let's see what the answer is. So something 5556, something 55, something 56 and 20s. So it's 2 decimal places. Australia, 2026. Okay, so it's not that. I wonder if it's divided by that. Nope. Oh wait, did I not freeze? Okay, so let's freeze this $sign K3. No, I don't. So 2.2, as we look up. All right, so let me make sure what that exchange rate is. So 1.55. So if you're looking up, yeah, the exchange rate's right there. So India, 89, 100, 106. Okay, so that's wild. I wonder if it's that divided by K3. Nope. Okay, 53. Whoopsies. Well, whoopsie daisies. That doesn't look like it's correct either. Euro denominated sales, unit sales price in Australia in 2026. Oh, wait a minute. Something is wrong. Did I start wrong? That must be what I did. Okay, so there's that, and I bet you J53 times, and get rid of that jazz. Is it supposed to be divided by? Just kind of messing around. There it is. Okay, so that's the formula that I want. Ugh, what a hassle. Okay, so it's going to be that. Okay, neat.